Today Sarah and I are so excited to make some tagliatelle with this tartufo that was gifted to us. And this is like black gold, guys. And over here, it's gonna be accompanied with these mushrooms. And then at the end, we'll also add some parsley and garlic. Let's get started. Simply press this button, and there it is. The gas oven is lit outside. We're gonna put a bit of this olive oil in there and some butter and allow this to melt. We're gonna get our tartufo slicer, and we can kind of gauge the thickness by turning this little wheel. And this is gonna be quite exciting to get a bit shaved right in here. And we're gonna heat this up a bit. Before we add the other mushrooms. Let's take this out in the oven for just a minute or so, and the flavor of the tartufo will be released, and then next we will add the other mushrooms. The aroma is already inebriating. Now we're gonna add just a bit of this garlic. You can also put the garlic in whole and then take it out. And now we're going to be able to add the other mushrooms to it. And then we'll put it back out into the oven. And here they are. Just a bit of parsley, a pinch of this hot pepper, but no salt yet, because otherwise that will release all the water from the mushrooms. Mushrooms and tartufo go back in, and we'll close the door. We need to stir it every once in a while. And oh yes, look at this. If you could only smell the aroma, and these guys are just about ready. In the meantime, we're putting the tagliatelle in, and we'll give them a quick stir. And they cook very quickly since they're homemade. Once they begin to come to the surface, they are ready to come out. Our mushrooms are ready, and we can put the tagliatelle in there. We'll add just a bit of the cooking water, because we don't want the pasta to stick to the bottom. And now our tagliatelle can come out and be added right into this. And oh, you guys, this is going to be such an amazing primo. And here we're gonna mix everything up nicely, and this is going to be incredibly delicious. We added some salt, and we forgot to catch that, but here we're gonna shave just a few more nice slices of fresh tartufo on there. And you guys, this is gonna be a meal fit for a king. Now we're gonna finish everything off with just a bit of fresh parsley, a nice drizzle of olive oil, and I'm gonna be the first one that gets to taste it. Oh, look at that. Look at that tartufo in there. And this is going to be so incredibly delicious. Buon appetito!